In advertising, Facebook remains one of the primary social platforms, attracting a vast number of advertisers. As an ad monitoring tool, BigSpy updates new ad creatives weekly, offering users a wealth of ad data and insights. To precisely locate target ads on BigSpy, it's essential to make full use of the filters. This tutorial will guide you in detail on how to use BigSpy's Facebook filters, helping you to find the most relevant ad creatives with greater accuracy. Using the e-commerce industry as an example. 1. Basic setup. Select Facebook as the ad source. First, under the Network section, select Facebook to ensure that all results come from the correct social media platform. Next, use the time option to specify the ad duration, such as 30 days to view ads from the past 30 days, or set a custom time range. Additionally, checking only new ads helps avoid repeated ads, while original ads filters for creatives linking directly to the original post. You can also select a platform type in the Site Type section for more refined results. 2. Basic filters. Narrow down target ad attributes. In the Basic section, further refine ad attributes by language. Choose from 23 supported languages, allowing for single or multiple selections. Country or region. Select the ad's country or region, covering over 70 countries and regions, with both single and multi-selection options. Types formats. Select the ad type such as image, video, carousel, and for video, set the duration. Choose the ad placement, for example, banner, vertical, and quality. Is Ray delivery? Filter for new advertising or Ray advertising. If neither is selected, both are included in the results. 3. Advanced options. Further refine your results. If basic filtering is not specific enough, click Advanced to view more detailed options. Marketing objectives. Select the marketing objective, for example, for shopping-related ads, choose shopping. Engagement. Filter based on the level of engagement, including likes, comments, and shares. Landing page. Use this to filter for ads with a viewable landing page. Exclude country and region. Designed for users needing to select many countries or regions, this feature allows you to quickly exclude any unwanted areas, simplifying the selection process without needing to choose each target region individually. Audience analysis. Filter based on audience characteristics such as gender and age for finer targeting. COD. Filter for e-commerce ads that mention cash on delivery. 4. Execute the search and refine results. After selecting the desired filters, enter ad keywords in the search bar and click Search to retrieve all matching ad creatives. If there are many results, use the sorting function to prioritize the most relevant ones. BigSpy offers 11 sorting options, such as sorting by keyword relevance, ad impressions, publish date, and likes or comments. With these targeted filters, you can quickly find Facebook ad creatives that meet your needs, enhancing the efficiency of your ad planning.